Hello all, hope you all doing good. Today we'll check out top 10 best web series in India. So let's go. Criminal Justice Season 1 and Season 2. In the first season, Vikrant, Pankaj Tripathi, Jackie Shroff played in the lead roles. And in the second season, Jishu Sengupta and Kirti Kulhari were added. Both the series was so engaging and thrilled to watch from beginning to ending. Delhi Crime. The series written and directed by Richie Mehta. It is based on Delhi's gang rape case which was happened in 2012. It narrates about what happened after that incident and how police team found the culprits who were responsible. Breathe. Madhavan, Hrishikesh Joshi, Amit played in the lead roles. And in its sequel, Into the Shadows, Abhishek Bachchan played in the lead role. The two seasons was so engaging, thrilling, and those who like thriller series, then Breathe is a good option. Asur. Arshad Wasi made his OTT debut with this series. Surely, it is one of the best crime thriller series to watch. Paatal Lok. After its release on OTT, it became super sensation all over the social media. You can see some of the best performances in this web series. The series received majority of awards at Filmfare OTT Awards 2020. Special Ops. After its release on OTT, the series received positive response from all over the audience. It turned out as one of the best thriller web series in India. Mirzapur Season 1 and Season 2. The story revolves around drugs and guns. Pankaj Tripathi, Ali Fazal, Vikrant, Divyendu Sharma, everyone gave an outstanding performance. The series turned out as one of the best and cult web series of all time. In second season, Isha Talwar, Vijay Varma added into this series. Sacred Games. Saif Ali Khan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Radhika Apte played in the lead roles. It is one of the best thriller web series in India. The Family Man. Manoj Bajpayee and Priyamani played in lead roles. Particularly, Manoj Bajpayee gave one of the best performances and proved that he is one of the best versatile actor in India. It is a must-watch web series. Scam 1992, The Harshat Mehta Story. A big thanks to director Hansal Mehta for directing this fabulous series. Actors Pratik Gandhi, Shreya, Hemant Kher, Nikhil nailed their roles. The series became so much popular and turned out as one of the most liked web series in India. So that's all guys. Please do subscribe and click on notification icon for more videos. Thank you.